Welcome to Hollywood Studios and Disney World. We're about to get on the Mickey's Runaway Railway, so I hope you have fun.
Come on, Tony. Get up.
I don't know what that was. You stepped on my shoe. That's my bad.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Howdy, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how we could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like a lot of paperwork. But I guess so.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
You're headed into the cartoon to ride this way like this.
What is that? Oh, that's cool. Here we go in.
That was actually really cool. What's that? Yeah. There's a whole. Okay. Thank you.
Even longer line.
Oh, you're still in a.
It's another line?
Yep.
Oh, nice. I was hoping it would be another line.
It's what I've always wanted.
It is. It's a huge line. That was like a break, an intermission in the middle of the giant line. So far we've been waiting 70 minutes. And we're getting close. We're getting close. We're about to get on.
Headbands, sunglasses, anything that's on your head.
That like old man. Alright, are you guys ready to ride?
Here we go.
This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, you taking me in?
Sure to take good care of our pet.
Why, there's me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, no. I must have hit that track switch. Wait, this is all my fault. Let's get that
Oh my gosh. Oh wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Oh, wow.
We made it.
Nothing can stop us now.
It's really. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Oh, wow.
Welcome, dancers, welcome. Come, come, come. Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my gosh.
You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh,
Oh, I'm getting sick.
now let's
Oh, gosh. My stomach. Oh, wow.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I
Gosh, what's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.